Okay, we've got question 5. Here are the first 5 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence means that it just goes up by the same amount every time. So 3 to 9, that's 6, 9 to 15, that's 6, and it's going to be 6 every time. A. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this sequence. Remember, the nth term is the rule which allows you to find any term. These are terms. That's the first term, second term, third term, and so on. Okay? So the rule. How do we find the rule? First of all, look. How much does it go up every time? We've already said it goes up by 6. So it's going to be 6n. So whatever it goes up by, that's what's going to be in front of n. Now, the easiest thing to do now is basically look at the number you've put there, look at the first number. What do you have to do to get from that number to that number? Well, you've got a minus 3. So what we do is put a minus 3 on the end. And that's the rule, 6n minus 3. The reason you do that is because, for example, if we were to test it on the first term, you would do 6 times 1, which is 6. What do you have to do to get from 6 to 3? You've got a minus 3. And that's why that works. Part B. Ben says that 150 is in the sequence. Is Ben right? You must explain your answer. Now, have a look at that. 3, 9, 15, 21, 27. So, the simple way to do it would simply to say Ben is wrong because 150 is an even number, but all the numbers in the sequence are odd. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Let's say method 1, no, because 150 is even, the numbers in the sequence are odd. Now, the other way to do it is to say, well, we know the rule 6n minus 3. Now, if 150 was in the sequence, we would be able to put in a value of n into this formula and get 150. So as long as we can put a number in there to make 150, and that number, remember, has got to be a whole number, an integer, we'll be able to get 150. The way we can find out if we can do that or not is to solve this equation. Okay, so add 3 to both sides to get rid of minus 3, you get 6n equals 153. Divide both sides by 6 to get rid of the 6 there. So divide that by 6, you get n on its own, equals 153 over 6, and that is not going to give us a whole number. You could show that by using the bus-stop method if you wanted to. So this will not give a whole number, so 150 is not a term in the sequence.